guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a review on the Birkenstock Gizeh Flor. These guys right here. I got these this week and actually wore them all day yesterday just to test them out to see how they felt on my feet. I got them off of Birkenstock.com. The reason I did that is because I went to different websites kind of looking to see what they had. And there were some websites where people left comments saying that the shoes were fake. So I really was hesitant about ordering just anywhere. So I went to Birkenstock.com. They also a place where you could put like your address and they'll tell you who has them, the authorized like stores where you can go buy them because there's fake ones out there. So that really was kind of like, okay, I didn't know all that was going on. Yeah, so these are pricey. They're about $100. So I really wanted to thank hubby for getting me these because I've been talking about getting Birkenstocks for a really long time. About 2.5 years when I was pregnant. My feet were really hurting, they were swollen and stuff, and that was one of the recommended like shoes that you could wear when you were pregnant and stuff, so I wanted it. But I didn't get it because at the time, you know, our budget was tight. We were planning for a new baby and stuff, so I kept putting it off pretty much. So I'm glad that hubby finally got them for me sometime this week. Really excited. I put these on my feet and my feet felt like they were in heaven. I walked all day pretty much yesterday with them, and I felt there was no break-in time. A lot of people have been mentioning that, and for me, really, there is no breakdown time. I wore them, my feet just felt really supported, really cradled. And this part of the footbed is really soft where you don't have those like your feet getting kind of drier. I know it's funny, like people are like, well, you have to take off your own feet pretty much for your, you know, like lotion them up and all that, but really I do all that. But sometimes I've noticed some sandals when I get home, my feet just felt really hard and like almost like it's cracking, kind of like, because it was rubbing on as I was walking. I've had sandals where things were slipping. With with this one I didn't have that problem because your toes really do hold on and really grab really well. The construction looks really good to me. And this is how much support you're really getting right here. And it's weird because other sandals that are kind of like trying to copy Birkenstock, they do have this cork, but it's a fake one. This cork is kind of hard, but it's also soft at the same time. Like when I step down, I felt that cushioning going down, but it just snaps back up like where I'm feeling like I'm balanced out. That's really one of the first things I really liked about this when I put them on, is I felt balanced. Like a lot of sandals I bought over the years, which my husband got tired of because I kept buying sandals every few months. They would break down. I would come home like all the time complaining about my feet hurting. And that's what I really noticed about them. The first time I put, everything just felt like my feet were really cradle. This part right here really makes your feet feel supported. Like really, like that arch on your feet, oh my God. It just felt amazing when I put them on. They do also have this here, and they said that one way to look at to see if a Birkenstock is fake is to check if the Birk is on the sole of the feet. You also want to look here. They said to make sure that it says made in Germany, to make sure you check for the spelling of the Birkenstock, because some are misspelled. And then there's also European numbers below right here, something like that. So those are the things you want to look out for if you're out there like trying to buy them online. The price tag will tell you a lot, but also not so much, because I noticed that even the fake ones were charging about the same price. So it's just interesting. So I feel like it is worth $100. If it was me, I would want like 80, you know. But I really do appreciate hubby getting me these. I feel like they're supposed to last maybe a good 3 years before I start having issues, and I'm really crossing my fingers for that because I don't intend on buying sandals. I'm going to show you guys the sandals I bought in the past and so far what's been going on. So I got these from Amazon. These from Amazon the first time, right here, and these guys are breaking down, as you can see, and you can definitely tell that they're not Birkenstock. They're trying to do the lookalikes, and I would say that the cork is okay. Like it was supportive a little bit, but not as good as Birkenstock does. They have the same kind of thing here where you can, you know, change it, but they start peeling. Man, I just kept these so I could show you guys, but pretty much these are out to the garbage because they're done. So yeah, I've been trying to buy shoes that support my feet, but those didn't do it. These I also got from Target, which were really cute. I like the whole style. But also, once again, this is what happens. I wore this to the ground until they're falling apart once again. The cork is also similar. It's the fake cork. The thing that I noticed with a lot of Target ones, they have the fake foam at the bottom. So what happens is it wears out. It starts sliding, especially if you're stepping in places that are like wet. You feel that slide. And it's just not really fun. So as you can see, I've wasted a lot of money over the years buying sandals here and there. And I was just done. I'm now plus size because of, you know, I'm carrying a lot more weight than I did before. And when you're plus size, you do need feet to really support your feet. I have chubby feet, and my feet are also like, whenever I've noticed that when I'm wearing shoes, it slides to one side more than another. So like you can see in the sandals here, when I wear shoes, this is where a lot of my weight of my feet falls. So it tends to wear out in this side. So I really need something like this that's gonna balance me out. And just where I don't have to complain throughout the day that my feet hurt so bad. If you're working like in a casual environment, you could actually wear these to work. So that was nice, because before I was working at a place where I could wear things like this. I really think so far the quality is really good. I will do an updated video in about maybe 5 to 6 months and let you guys know how they're holding up, because it could be all the hype and things don't work out later on and it might not be, you know, what I'm excited for it to be, you know. So I really oh, the color that I got was mocha brown. I forgot to say that. So far so good. I have no issues. And I'll show you guys a video of me wearing them to kind of show how they look and stuff like that in the video. But so far I'm happy with it. I really felt like this is the first time I put on shoes where I wasn't taking them off. I didn't come back home complaining that my feet hurt. My feet just felt really cradle supported. They didn't slip as I was rushing to go places, because that always happens. Like I feel like my toes were always hanging out with the other ones that I had. My toes were kind of out here. So I feel like they're really a good size. They do run bigger because over time they break down and kind of mold to your own feet. So that's really a good benefit. So yeah, I would really recommend it. You guys try it out. If you have tried them out, let me know your experience below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.